So hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make PDF in your mobile. So first of all, before starting you need to install this WPS Office application from the Play Store. So let's go to the Play Store and just type, let me turn on the internet and type WPS and just search it, and you can see that it has been listed here. WPS Office free office suite for Word, PDF and Excel. So just you need to install it, and I've already installed it. Just I'm gonna open it, and let's open it. And guys, I have this question paper, so let me create a new file, and that's I'm going to convert it into the PDF. So first of all, let's create a any Word file. So let me create a Word file. This is my Word file, and I'm gonna import any photo from the gallery. So let's insert from here, and just so let me import any photo. So suppose I'm importing this photo and rotate it. So suppose I just want to make a PDF of this photo. So this is my photo, and now just save it, and the main steps comes here. So just change the type of, or just change the extension of the file. So here are four extension: docx, .txt and .pdf. So doc and docx is used for Word file, and .txt for the text file, and pdf for making it PDF. So just use PDF and export to PDF. Just click on this option and just select the folder where you want to save it, and just go to the my phone, and suppose I want to save in the download folder. So just save it, and I'm gonna name it so like my first PDF, and just export it, and you can see that my PDF file has been saved in my location where I have mentioned. So let me show you where it has been saved. Just go to the download, and you can see that clearly. Let me change the color of it. So so you can see that my file, my first PDF has been saved here, and its size is 6.89 MB. And you can see that how can we save our PDF in mobile. So main step is that you just have to install this application, and you can directly make PDF without going to the Word. So how can you do that? Just click on add button, and you can see that new PDF. एंड सो इसमें ऑप्शन दे रखा है कि डॉक्यूमेंट टू PDF, picture to PDF, scan document to PDF, and web page to PDF. Suppose you have an image and you just want to make it PDF. Just click on this scan off button, and I have to log in it to use this feature. So I don't want to log in. So this, I'm just telling that these feature you can use in this application. So I told you that you can make any PDF in this new document section. This is in Word section. If you have an image, just click the picture and uh, insert the image in Word, and just convert it into the PDF through the extension point जो जहाँ से हमने extension चेंज किए थे, and you will get the idea.